A high wind warning, a winter storm warning, and a blizzard warning have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Currently in our area, 28 degrees with some snow flurries. Local observations for our area. Here's our local Doppler radar. For the rest of today, flurries and a few snow showers throughout the day. Thunder possible. High 26. Winds northeast at 15 to 25 miles per hour. 3 to 5 inches of snow expected. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour late. For tonight, blizzard conditions. Thunder possible. Low near 8. Winds east-northeast at 40 to 60 miles per hour. 2 feet of snow expected. Winds could occasionally gust over 75 miles per hour. On Tuesday, snow. Snow will be heavy at times during the morning. High 15. Winds east at 20 to 30 miles per hour. 5 to 8 inches of snow expected. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Tuesday night, cloudy with scattered snow showers mainly during the evening. Low minus 12. Winds northeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. No significant snow accumulation. The week ahead.